Good morning, everybody. I'm literally currently en route to get my lips done. So the first time I got them done was May of 2018 and I got 0.5 of a mil. And then I think it was about around following September that I got 0.3 of a mil. And then the following December that I got another half mil. I think I'm going today and getting another half mil. I have like 2 different lips on either side. So Mary has done an incredible job of fixing that. But now that the product has kind of dissolved small bits since Christmas and it's April, I said I'd go and I get a little bit more, and also for the plumpness. One last thing I want to say as well is that for my preparation, I use the Paw Paw lip scrub and lip balm. It's like a 2-in-1 little pot and it tastes really good. And then also I've been pumping Arnica tablets into me. They stop bruising on your skin, so I've been taking them for 24 hours every hour. And just a little bit Mary from Celeste Medical is absolutely phenomenal. She has such a long history working in the aesthetic sides of things. So not only does she do lip fillers, she does derma fillers, she does Profilo, she does Botox. So I love her and I wouldn't let anyone else touch my lips. So we've just put the numbing cream on.
And we leave it on for 20 minutes.
20 minutes. So I'm numb as numb can be. It's so funny when they're numb, they feel so much bigger. Yeah. So I want to kind of
round. You want to make that more round.
Especially because I feel like when my lips are closed, this side rounds up and this one cuts straight off, so this side looks bigger.
Okay, perfect. So we'll work more on the left.
Yeah, just to round it out to the right hand side.
Perfect.
I'm literally looking away on purpose to see if I can tell where the injection is going in.
Do another little bit here on this side and try to round this. Into the top anyway.
Brilliant.
Okay. Just do a little bit on the bottom and then we can round it all off. Just going to do a little massage.
Drawings new.
Yes.
I love them.
Thank you.
I'm literally staring at them both.
No, I love them so much.
Look at them. Could stare at them all day.
Marilyn
and my
Monroe.
lips. And Mary. All 4.
Okay, so Sophie, do this for me. Keep molding. Keep molding. Yeah. And just make sure it just gets them smooth. So. Perfect. Okay.
So my lips are just done. Finished with the incredible Mary. She is so good. So as you can see, they're a little bit swollen, especially at the ridge. We did a lot of work on correcting the shape. But I am obsessed. I will check back in when I have some makeup on as well. Hey guys, so I'm back just to do a little lip check-in. So I've done my makeup. Side note, if you like this look, there'll be a tutorial on my Instagram, one of those cute little mini videos. But for now, back to my lips. I'm obsessed. So where the injections went in, I have a little bruise here and I have 2 little bruises here and I think 1 there, but very, very minimal. I wouldn't even call them a bruise. The swelling, the bruising, I usually don't bruise, and as well, since I took so much arnica, I don't think I'm gonna bruise. You can just see little pink dots on my lips of where the injection went in. Also, this is a very sheer lipstick, so the fact that you can't see where the injections went in through this lipstick is really good, because you know, sometimes if you do bruise, you may need to go in with like a red or a coral if you're wearing makeup straight after to conceal it. But yes, thank you so much to Mary and Celeste Medical as per usual. She is phenomenal. If you're from Cork or the Munster region, I 10 out of 10 recommend her. I've been going to her for a year now and she just knows exactly what she's doing and just takes all the weight off my shoulders and makes sure it's always beautiful and as enhanced / natural looking as possible, and like it didn't feel a thing, as you can see from the footage. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. I'll leave my Instagram name here and I will see you next time. Ta-ta.